Okay, so given a rhombus ABCD, find the indicated measure. So in a rhombus, all angles are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. All sides are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. So measure of angle BCE. So diagonals bisect opposite angles. So this is 53. This is 53. This is 53. So the measurement of angle BCE is 53 degrees. CBE. So this is 106. So this would be 74 degrees. If I cut that in half, I have no idea what that would be off the top of my head. 74 divided by 2 is 37, so each one of these is 37 degrees. So CBE is 37 degrees. Find the measurement of angle EC. Well, if this is 8, this is also 8. So what you're looking at is this being a right angle. This is 37 degrees, or you can look at 53 degrees, your choice. This is 8. And I want to know the measurement of this. This is E, this is C. So, excuse me. I'm going to use tangent. So I'm going to use 37 degrees. So tangent of 37 degrees equals x over 8. Opposite over adjacent. And adjacent would be next to. So 8. So 8 tangent of 37 equals x. So I'm going to type that in my calculator. So 8 tangent 37 gives me approximately 6.028. So the measurement of EC is 6.028. Alright, I'm going to jump down to the bottom question first, and then I'll do the other two questions. So 3 vaulting boxes, gymnastics, form a trapezoid. So we are using mid-segment. So this is 30, this is 24, this is B. So 24 equals 1/2 the sum of 30 plus B. 48 equals 30 plus B. So minus 30, 18 equals B. So in the next one, this is 18, this is A, this is 24. So 18 equals 1/2 24 plus A. Double to get rid of the half, which is going to be 36. Equals 24 plus A minus 24, 8. Not 8. Try that again. 36 minus 24. Should be 12. 12. Helps if I can do math right today. So 12 equals A. So there's my two answers. Alright, so this one here, doing points and everything else, you gotta make sure you graph your points out and you do your math. Rule of thumb, 4 slopes, 4 distances. So D is 0, 9. So 0, 9. E is 9, 0. F is 0, negative 9. And G is negative 9, 0. So I'm gonna look at the shapes. So slopes, FE, DE, FE, so FTE is going to be -9, 0, 0, 9, minus, minus, which gives me -9 over -9, which simplifies down to 1. The distance of that would be -9 squared plus -9 squared. Remember, you can just take the distances that you already subtracted here and just do that. So that would give me the square root of 81 plus 81, which gives me the square root of, excuse me, 162. GD so the opposite side, so GD is going to be 0, -9 minus 9 minus 0, which gives me -9 over -9, which gives me 1. -9 squared plus -9 squared, square root of 81 plus 81 gives me a square root of 162. So those distances are the same. So since those distances are the same and the slopes are the same, that's a parallelogram. So I already know it's a parallelogram. So the thing I need to figure out now is if the consecutive sides are congruent, and then opposite sides should have the same slope, but I'm going to prove it just to make sure. So opposite sides I'm going to do in a different color. I'm going to have to kind of write a little bit over some things here. So DE is going to be 9, 0 minus 0, 9, which is going to give me 9 over -9, which equals -1. That distance is going to be 9 squared plus -9 squared, which gives me the square root of, excuse me, 81 plus 81, which is the square root of 162. So now that I know consecutive sides are congruent, this is a rhombus because all 4 sides are congruent. Also, consecutive side slopes are perpendicular, so I form a 90-degree angle right here. Since I form a 90-degree angle right there, then I know it is 90 degrees. So it is a rectangle and a rhombus, which means this is a square.